How to add a thumbnail to your Roblox game. So the first thing you need to do is log into Roblox and then click on Create at the top. This will take you to the Creator Hub. From here, select Creations on the left-hand side. Next, find your game, left-click on it, and then go to Places on the left side again. Now locate your game in the list and left-click on it. You should see a section called Thumbnails on the left. Click on that. Here you can choose the media type. So select Image. Now you can upload the thumbnail for your game. Just choose the file from your PC and click Add Thumbnail. Roblox will remind you that the thumbnail will be moderated. If you're sure, click Submit and the thumbnail should update for your game. Make sure to save the changes when you're done. And that's how you add a thumbnail to your Roblox game. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.